But in the world of evolving MCPs, which is again the cutting edge of technology, Figma released their first version of their MCP about 6 weeks ago. Wix did theirs about 5 weeks ago. There is one kind of wandering around the WordPress space that Yoast built. That is kind of getting tossed around like a CLI. WP CLI MCP. So it's coming, and in this reality, then the agents will also be able to execute. So when you say that there's a tag that needs to be changed, if this plugin and this plugin is installed, you click and accept. It doesn't create a task that will allow you to continue the conversation. It will just go and do it, And this is really the end magic that I'm waiting for technology to keep up. We're already at the cutting edge, but and we're ready for something like this to happen, But for now, it's consultative. Now, you're correct. There should be a lot of checks and balances in place to make sure that things are proper, let's say. And we've went through all of these cycles with Bertha back in 2021 when the technology was way more basic. So you had to do a lot more training, a lot more hand-holding with the AI than what those models offer you today. They're pretty fine-tuned. Of course, we brought in millions of communications and additional layers of context, 2,500 point checklists, and a bunch of additional stuff that it can look into. But at the core, the AI is already optimized. And I'll give you an example. Back then, in order for you to get access to ChatGPT, or before ChatGPT, to OpenAI's GPT-3's beta, there was kind of like an API access before, in early access. You had to prove that you trained the model to not be racist or to not be like all kinds of like bad words, And in order for you to do that, you have to make it one first. You have to bring it out of it and then subdue it, And that was a horrible experience that I experienced with one of my first experiences working with AI was it talking really bad stuff about me and my family and everything in between, And so it was so now it's a lot easier in that sense. It comes in out of the box in a lot more of the cases,
Nice.